of them need to be a profit producer and not just a straight someone you're paying. And the easiest way to do that is make them do BPOs. So if you're spending $3,000 or $4,000 a month on somebody, to work for you, doing some whatever, I don't care if it's TC work, marketing this, doesn't matter what. They have to be paying for themselves and generating, covering their own costs every month, or you can't keep them, or you shouldn't keep them. And you can replace them with somebody that will. So no riders, only rowers. Does that make sense, everyone? Now, you can make every single person who works as part of your team a profit center. And as soon as you start meandering into somebody you just pay to perform a function, then you're going to find that person is also less efficient. You're going to find that person is a little bit of a drag on the system too. So just remember that.
Tim and Julie Harris have the experience that I was looking for in a coach. These guys have sold hundreds of homes. They've walked the trenches. They know what it takes to be a top producing agent, and that's what I was looking for.
I've been working with the Tim and Julie Harris Real Estate Coaching Organization for about the last 7 years. They've coached my wife and I, our staff, and partner agents that we work with to a super high level of success. This is an easy video for me to record because I can't say enough about that organization.
Thankfully, I stumbled across Tim and Julie's radio show and fell in love with their whole mentality of service and of giving back and blessing your clients and operating at the highest level, and signed up for coaching, and it is one of the best decisions I've ever made by far.
How does $100,000 in extra income excite you? It sure excites me, and that's what my partner and I have on tap, with over a dozen new transactions since coaching started.
Why wait? Don't be where I was a year ago. Take advantage of it now, because I promise you the little investment that you'll make with them will pay so much more to you in your life and your family. And you got to do it. It's one of the best things I've ever done, and I can't encourage you enough. Sign up with Tim and Julie Harris Coaching, and you'll thank me.
Schedule your free coaching call now at freecoachingcallsforagents.com or visit us online at timandjulieharris.com.